So during telophase, the cell kind of dipped and it formed what they call cleavage. The nucleus reappeared. The chromosomes become less visible and they tend to coil up again. And then the centrioles go back together. That all happens during telophase. The last part of the cell cycle, or the last part of cell division, is cytokinesis. What's going to happen there? Division of what? Cytokinesis for cytoplasm. The cytoplasm literally splits, forming what we call two daughter cells, one being identical to the parent cell. All right, so to review the cell cycle. Interphase describes the part of the cell cycle where the cell is preparing for division. In interphase, you see a perfect nuclear envelope, you see centrioles together, and you see chromatin all condensed and coiled up. Look at cytokinesis. Doesn't it look exactly like interphase? The only difference is you're going to see two cells side by side. So it's going to look exactly like interphase because once the cytoplasm splits, interphase starts right up again. Yes. The longest part of the cell cycle is interphase. G1 being the longest part of interphase where the cell grows because what's happening to the organelles? They're replicating, needing the cell to grow in order to accommodate. During S, what replicates? DNA. And G2 means final growth of the cell. Then we've got PMAT. PMAT are the 4 stages of mitosis, which is the start of cell division. Okay, interphase is just the prep. Mitosis involves prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In prophase, the spindle forms, centrioles move to opposite ends, they connect to the chromosomes at the centromere, and the nuclear envelope starts to break apart. In metaphase, what happens? This is one is a little bit easier. Prophase, I would say, and telophase are the hardest because a lot of things happen. What happens in metaphase? The DNA are aligned. Chromosomes align down the middle, M for metaphase, M for middle. And the spindle connects to the centromere. And it's already connected to the centriole. Okay, then what happens in anaphase? A for anaphase? The spindle pulls the chromosomes apart. A for anaphase, A for apart, A for away from each other. And then in telophase we have cleavage, and all the things in prophase kind of start to come back, in interphase kind of start to come back, okay? And then cytokinesis. And then it's an ongoing cycle over and over and over again. All right, so here are some examples of what cells look like under the microscope here too, which we went over last time. And now I want to see who can identify any of these cells and what phase they're in. Raise your hand so I could circle them. So what's the longest part of the cell cycle? Interphase. And interphase, you see a nucleus, right? Now this is a cell right here, this box. These are plant cells. This circle inside is a nucleus, okay? Look how many we see. So this is interphase, this is interphase, this is interphase, this is interphase, yes? Now look here. What do you see here? 2. Do you see nucleus? You can even see the nucleolus. This is cytokinesis. So let's change the color. Let's make it green for cytokinesis, okay? Now I'm gonna point to ones. What's happening here? Look at this one right here. Oh, let me change the color. Make it red. Right here. Who can identify this? Close. Nope. Anaphase, because you see them going away. For it to be telophase, you're going to see a dip in between them, okay? Look at this. Who can name this? Oh, another color. Hold on. Right here. Metaphase. You see them lined up in the middle, yes? What about this right here? What do you see here? change the color. I'm not going to do it. What do you see there? Do you see a nucleus? Do you see a nucleus? This circle is a nucleus. That dot inside is the nucleolus. That has to be interphase, okay? Anytime you see the nucleus, you're in interphase. Now, want to see cytokinesis? Here's another cytokinesis. Let's go green. This could, you know what, guys? I have to say, now that I look at it carefully, I'm going to say that this is telophase, actually. Do you see the cleavage? And they're still together? Yeah. So we're going here, telophase. You want to see cytokinesis? I'm going to go get green. Right here is cytokinesis. They separated, yes? Mm-hmm. Okay. And look at this. You see that? Perfectly separated. Those are starting interphase again.
That's what I was pointing at.
Okay, good. Did we miss any? Prophase? Oh, we didn't see any prophase. This is what prophase looks like. Ready? No nucleus. And you see all this scribbly stuff. That's prophase. You see the chromosomes. Did you see the chromosomes here? No. Chromosomes become visible during prophase. Do you see centrioles or centromeres or spindles in any of these? I would need a microscope that's a lot stronger to be able to view those things. So your only target is look for nucleus, look for chromosomes, look for cleavage, look for splitting. Okay, those are the things you're going to see.